to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious Mexican white rice with corn. You guys are going to love, and it goes with any type of meat. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start here with half an onion. The onion is going to infuse the oil and it's going to give this white rice such a delicious and amazing flavor. And of course, my favorite ingredient, garlic cloves. I have 3 garlic cloves that you need to dice in very small little pieces. And let me show you, I have everything ready to prepare this white rice with corn my way. I have the garlic diced, the onion chopped, the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of corn, and of course, chicken bouillon to taste. And now let's go to the stove. Let's start making this amazing and delicious white rice. Here I added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. On the pan, I want to cover the bottom of the pan with that oil. I'm adding the onion. I really want the onion to release all that amazing flavor, the aroma, everything into that a little bit of oil that's on the bottom. Once the onion is nice and crispy and it has released all those amazing flavors into the oil, I'm going to remove it. Of course, you could leave it behind if you want, but I want to remove it and add it right on the top of the rice when it's completely done. Look at this. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to make sure that I remove all the onion. Now I'm ready to add the rice and the garlic, the diced garlic. I'm adding the rice. I'm adding the diced garlic, and I'm going to incorporate it. Let me tell you, this white rice with corn comes out with such a smoky and delicious flavor of onion. Of course, with the combination of garlic, just perfection made at home. Once you incorporate it, we're going to leave a little space in the center and we're going to add the butter. The butter is going to give it such an amazing flavor. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to incorporate it really good into the rice. I want the rice to really get covered with the amazing flavor of the rice. And if you see little specks of the onion, remove it. And here I'm adding the corn, 1 cup of corn. I'm going to add the chicken bouillon. I added 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 4 cups of hot water. Remember, for every cup of rice, 2 cups of water. So here I am going to go ahead and start adding the hot water. Once you add it, incorporate it really good, and then cover your pot. Reduce the heat to very medium low heat, and the rice will be done in about 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are over, let me show you how amazing this rice looks. Look at this. It pulls apart. The aroma of the onion and garlic, the perfect combination. And now cover it, and I'm ready to prepare the presentation plates. And here I have, of course, the crispy onion. I'm going to start adding some rice into the presentation plate. And of course, I'm going to add 2 or 3 little pieces of onion right on the top. Look at this. I love onion and I love garlic. So this is my plate. Of course, you could add a chicken breast, a carne asada. You decide. But here, I'm going to add some onion right on the top. And this is how I'm going to enjoy this amazing rice. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this Mexican white rice with corn. Let me tell you, the onion really brings this rice to another level. It really tastes amazing, but this is the part I love and enjoy. And of course, I added some nice and crispy onion on the top. Excuse me. Mmm, mmm. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. Look at this. The onion really made a difference in this rice. Mm, mm. If you liked and loved this amazing Mexican white rice with corn, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious white rice with corn. It goes with everything. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.